In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Charles Schwab International account. This walkthrough is designed for non-U.S. residents who want access to U.S. markets through a Schwab International Brokerage account, often called Schwab One International. First, confirm that you're eligible based on where you live. Schwab supports many countries, but not all. Head to the Schwab International website and select your country or region to see if accounts are available. If your country is supported, you'll see the appropriate application path. If not, you won't be able to proceed with this specific account. Next, gather the documents you'll need. Have a valid passport or government-issued ID, plus a recent proof of residence, such as a utility bill or bank statement that shows your full name and physical address. You'll also need your tax identification number or a social security number if you have one, as well as your employer's name and mailing address if you're employed. Plan to scan or photograph documents clearly. Make sure names and addresses match exactly across your application and paperwork, and that the issue dates on proofs of address are recent. Now begin the online application on the Charles Schwab International page. Choose the account type, typically an individual brokerage account. Then enter your personal information, full legal name, date of birth, contact details, and your permanent residential address. Provide your ID information and answer regulatory questions about your employment, the purpose of the account, and the source of funds. Be precise and consistent. Small discrepancies can slow down compliance checks. Use your legal name exactly as it appears on your passport and avoid using P.O. boxes for your residential address. You'll be prompted to upload your documents. Attach a clear, legible copy of your passport or government ID and a proof of address that matches what you entered on the application. Ensure each file is sharp, in color if possible, with all edges visible and no glare. If your proof of address has multiple pages, include all relevant pages so your name, address, and date are visible. Review everything carefully, agree to the terms and disclosures, and submit. Schwab will review your application, which typically takes anywhere from 3 days to 2 weeks. Watch your email for any follow-up questions and respond promptly to avoid delays. Once approved, fund and activate your account. You can add money via international wire transfer or other available methods listed by Schwab. Expect potential bank and currency conversion fees. After your deposit clears, you'll be able to start investing in U.S. markets, including stocks, ETFs, and other permitted investments.